Para sa ating Spill the Tea number 1, nakakagulat po ang nangyayari talaga sa Senate, sunod-sunod. At nito lang, matapos po maglabas ni Senator Amy Marcos ng isang video na expose sana, no, para ilabas ang mga senators na di umano'y gustong magkaroon ng Constitutional Assembly or CONCON din, CONAS and CONCON. Kinabukasan may nangyari na naman. Nagsimula ito dun sa part na si Senator Marcoleta ay nagmosyon ulit na tanggapin ang teleconferencing or Zoom para makapagboto para sa impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte.
At syempre, umalma ang ating minority. And doon nangyari yung walkout sa
Correct.
Senate. But even prior to that, while Senator Dante Marcoleta was defending his motion, tell us what happened there.
Actually, nagsimula kasi yan dun sa motion nga na yan. But that motion was already raised nung panahon pa na pumasok si Bato. No? So that was already referred to the Committee on Rules.
Right.
Ang problem, nilabas niya ulit yung motion right now at dun umaalma ang minority because bakit mo nilalabas yan kung na-refer na sa Committee on Rules? Hindi pa naman yan
Hindi pa siya
natatalakay.
na-settle doon.
Yes.
Hindi pa na tinalakay.
So doon na nagkaroon ng argument kasi, is it a new motion or an old motion? Yun lang naman. And ang gusto lang naman ng minority dito is that mapag-usapan yung motion. And we follow the process. If it was already referred to the Committee on Rules, then doon muna ang problem nagmamadali ang majority.
Nagmamadali sila kasi nga events might overtake them.
Yes.
These include yung ating case sa ICC na ang sabi ng NBI ay anytime lalabas ang ibang warrants, including that, I think, for Senator Bongo. And on top of that, there are plunder cases that have been filed against Senator Jinggoy
Estrada.
and Senator Villanueva.
Yeah, and some other cases with other majority
Cases as well.
senators.
Yeah, so it's a game of numbers kasi when you talk about the Senate and even Congress as a whole. So now, we're waiting to see how it's going to play and that is why they are rushing the vote.
Yes.
But what happened after that when Senator Marcoleta...
So yun, pumasok si Risa Ontiveros, sinubukan niyang kontrahin, and then bumalik ang Marcoleta saying yan ang reason, ay yan ang problem kapag walang legal background ang mga kasamahan. Natama naman si Erwin Tulfo, no, na
Nag-react siya.
yes, saying ad hominem. Kasi nga, ba't ka mag-raise ng ganyang point when you are in a plenary na dapat nagde-debate kayo on facts?
Based on dapat yung argument mo, based doon sa motion mo, based on facts. Huwag mong i-attack kung ano man ang qualifications ng kapareho mo, peer mo sa Senate.
Yes, kasi parang ina-atake niya rin yung iba, even in the majority.
Eh, nasa likod niya si Robin Bayo Lawyer.
And that led dun sa pag-walkout po ng ating minority.
And I think naiwan doon si Senator Tito Soto and he moved.
Yeah, he moved for
The adjournment.
Adjournment. Quorum call kung tawagin. Para i-check kung may quorum. And kinontra ulit ni Senator Marcoleta. Tama naman ulit si Soto. Bakit mo i-question ang motion to adjourn? So it takes precedence. Yun yung sinasabi. At sabi niya, akala ko ba magaling sa rules. But actually, kaya namin tinatakal yan because it's really disappointing that we are experiencing this and we're seeing our senators not doing their jobs. No? They're there. Kung ano-anong mga personal na interes ang gusto nilang ilabas, ang dami nilang pinag-arguan na hindi naman talaga makakatulong. No?
Tama. Naman, wag nyo nang takbuhan ng accountability nyo. You were voted in, be accountable for that.
Gawin nyo ang trabaho nyo.
Magtrabaho naman kayo.
Yes, magtrabaho kayo.